If you're seeing a Gmail error 553, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your email sending again quickly. This error usually means there's a problem with the recipient address, your outgoing mail settings, or the address you're sending from. The good news is that in most cases, it's very easy to fix. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Now, let's get into it. First, check the recipient address carefully. Open the email you are trying to send and verify the recipient's email address for any spelling mistakes, extra spaces, invalid characters, or an incorrect domain name. Even a small typo, like one wrong letter or a missing dot, can trigger a 553 error. If needed, delete the address and type it again manually, then resend the message. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your SMTP authentication settings. Open your email client, go into the account settings, and find the Outgoing Server or SMTP section. Look for the option that says My Outgoing Server requires authentication, and make sure it is enabled. This setting tells your email app that the Outgoing Server needs proper login verification before sending mail. After turning it on, save the settings and try sending the email again. In many cases, that alone solves the issue. Now let's check your from address. Make sure the email address you are sending from is authorized to use that SMTP server. If you're using Gmail, confirm that the SMTP server is smtp.gmail.com and that you're signed in with the correct username and password. If your from address does not match the account credentials, Gmail may block the message and return a 553 error. Also, make sure the sending account is fully verified and allowed to send mail through your email client. If you're using multiple accounts, double-check that the correct account is selected before sending. Once you've verified the recipient address, enabled SMTP authentication, and confirmed the from address and server details, try sending the email one more time. In most cases, one of these three fixes will resolve the Gmail error 553 right away. If you want more simple troubleshooting guides like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.